आज के इस सेशन के चौथे सेशन के जो हमारे स्पीकर हैं वो फ्रांसिस्को गोवा से हैं। और हमारा आज के इस सेशन का जो टॉपिक है वो है हाउ स्पॉन्सरशिप हेल्प्स इन रिकवरी एंड सर्विस, यानी स्पॉन्सरशिप हमारी रिकवरी और सर्विस में कैसे मदद करती है। दोस्तों, मैं इस सेशन में ज्यादा समय नष्ट ना करते हुए माइक फ्रांसिस्को को हैंड ओवर करता हूं। वो अपने तरीके से अपने हिसाब से इस सेशन को आगे चलाएं। Over to Francisco.
Thank you, Naren. I am an alcoholic. My long name is Francisco, but in half measures they call me Cisco. So, wishing you all.
Hi, Cisco.
Happy New. Hi. Wishing you all a happy Easter, especially my Christian brethren and my brethren in the fellowship. I'm wishing you all the commandment by my higher power is love one another. So I love all of you all. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to share with you all my experience, strength and hope. Wonderful topic for today. But I will try to give you the full measure, not my half measure. My experience, strength and hope right from the day I joined in till today. By God's grace, on the 25th of April, I complete 25 years, one day at a time. I have a home group. My home group is the A Panjim group. I have a sponsor. My sponsor is Vasu from Madras. And I'm a happy recovering alcoholic today. Let me come to the topic. The topic today, आज का topic जो हमारे को बाहर ने दिया है is sponsorship. Basically, it is. I will try to cover up my experience, my strength, and my hope of having first time heard this word in the Fellowship of Alcoholics Anonymous. Sponsorship otherwise for me was with regards to money. But when I came to Alcoholics Anonymous, I did not know then. The members who gave me the message, they were my initial sponsors. There were two of them, and I'm very, very, very grateful to them till today. I never forget to pray for them. And on my knees, that too, every night, I thank God for this initial sponsors of mine. And the beautiful thing is that this one of the initial sponsor straight away told me, you are already 3 days now in the fellowship, so you please pick up your sponsor. And I did not really know what it meant. Then he said, you pick up a person whom you like in the fellowship, who you think is good for you, and start talking to him and start working the program. I am grateful to God that I listened to him. Because by God's grace, I have been traveling a lot all over India, and I get to meetings. I go normally whenever I go to a conference or a convention. मैं 2 दिन ज़्यादा जाता हूँ और 2 दिन बाद में भी रुकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को इंटरेक्शन करने को मजा आता है. तो I try to go to local meetings and basically the question आता है कि sponsorship सब लोग senior member शेयर करते थे हमारा मीटिंग में स्पॉन्सर लेना जरूरी है. मगर every time I go everywhere, I find the same problem that होता है बहुत जगह में. Most of the places, I don't know why. मैं तो किसी का इन्वेंटरी तो नहीं ले रहा हूँ, मगर ये हो रहा है बहुत जगह कि हम लोग स्पॉन्सर के बिना प्रोग्राम में आता है, प्रोग्राम में रहता है some of them, and then there is a lot of difficulty in my own sobriety. मेरे को ही तकलीफ होता है क्योंकि ये बोट कैसा विदाउट अ राडर बोट आगे जा सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं जा सकता है वैसे नहीं, मगर जहाँ 1 महीना लगता है उसको 1 साल लगेगा. तो इधर उधर it just tosses this side and that side without a rudder. So that is what I was given to understand, that you should choose somebody that you like. And तो honestly मेरे का 3 दिन के अंदर ही मेरे को जो अच्छा मेंबर लगा मेरा फेलोशिप में, जो इसका मैं ही सोल रेस्ट इन पीस, उसका नाम हैरी था और बॉम्बे में उसको ज्यादा डटी हैरी करके नाम पुकारते थे. उसका बाल भी लंबा था. And but the beautiful thing is that I got attracted to him because his English was so good and he used to make a lot of fun during sharings, and he was talking from the book. I could understand. So basically I was happy that I immediately chose my sponsor and hello. Immediately chose my sponsor and I requested him. I said I went to him and I asked him, Hari, would you be my sponsor? And well, he just laughed at me first, and then he says, "You do one thing. You go home, go on your knees, pray, and come back tomorrow and ask me the same question again." And I was a little bit upset about this. I said, "What the hell these people think of themselves?" Anyway, I did what he had told me to do. I went home, I prayed on my knees, and I went the next morning. I went back to him and I asked him, I said, Harry, would you please be my sponsor? Straight away, he went on his knees and he put me on my knees and we said the serenity prayer. And I remember the words that he said after the serenity prayer is, Thy will be done, not mine. Lord, I believe in thee. Take thou my unbeliefs in thee. And then we got up and he explained to me exactly what we are supposed to do. And basically, he didn't talk to me about the steps, but he did tell me, now you read the big book. And I didn't know what is the big book also. Then he showed me the big book. He had his copy, and I am sure he must have given me his copy, or I don't know what, I can't remember today. But I started reading the big book, and he told me, मेरे को बोला that you start reading the book from the first page. And by then, by God's grace, I was a BCom graduate. Till the time I came to Alcoholics Anonymous, I thought my English was so good. But the moment I started reading the big book, there are so many things I could not understand. And I used to call him, and those days we had to dial the numbers. We had no mobiles. So मेरे को dial करना पड़ता था और 2 बार उसने आंसर दिया मेरे को, ऐसा है ऐसा है. तीसरा बार मेरे को बोला, sobriety is not on the wires. If you want, you please come here. I will explain to you. So from that time I stopped calling him and I used to go to him and talk to him and read the book. अच्छा काम जो हुआ is that I didn't have anything to do because I had destroyed my own life, my own business, my own family relationship. I didn't want to spend time at home because that was the most difficult place to stay with. So most of the time I would spend with the AA members in my early days of sobriety. And I thank God that my sponsor then, Harry was a very good 12-step worker. He was very good in giving messages. And I remember going with him. I remember even going on my knees and praying to God, help me to help somebody. I am just 3-4 days in the program and I'm already now asking God, because the first day I went with him, I remember, maybe it is the 3rd day or 4th day, I can't remember exactly the date, but जब भी मैं मेरा स्पॉन्सर के साथ 12 स्टेप कॉल करने को गया था, याद है मेरे को कि उसने शेयरिंग शुरू किया था एक नया प्रॉस्पेक्ट के साथ. और जब भी उस 5 या 10 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ था उसका शेयरिंग, मैं सुन रहा था. फिर भी उसका immediately I interfered in the sharing and I started sharing mine and my experience. And 3 or 4 days sober, and I mean away from drink. I won't say sober also, away from drinks. And I thought I could be helping this newcomer. So he just told me, Francisco, just shut up and sit down and listen. Oh, मेरे को वो time गुस्सा आया, मगर I did what he told me, and I thank God that I did what he told me, and I kept doing the same things, praying, going with him to meetings, going with him to do the 12-step work, and उसमें से मेरे को बहुत फायदा हो गया, especially reading the big book in the initial stages. And I remember the first thing I used to wonder, I said, where is my head office? I would like to go to my head office in Bombay. And then in the big book, it was, the words were there, Ohio, and I really wanted to know where is this place. And I was like talking to my higher power, when will I go to this place, Ohio? And thank God that 10 years in my sobriety, I was even able to do that. So the reason I'm sharing this is, if we are honest, if we are painstaking, and if we do what we are being told to do by our sponsors, we will surely enjoy our sobriety and we will surely get what our dreams are. Today, I thank God that I had a sponsor who was very, very, I mean, he wasn't strict, he wasn't very lenient also, but he used to, whatever he would say, like he मेरे को जो बोलता था, अपना अनुभव देता था हर time. और क्या हो गया कि मैं बहुत डरता था उससे बात भी करने को। मैं क्या बोलेगा उसको, मेरा कलर क्या है। और मेरा कलर बाद में ही मालूम पड़ा, चौथा पैरी करने के बाद ही मालूम पड़ा कलर क्या है मेरा। पर बीच में मेरे को डर लगता था उससे बात करने का। मगर ये थोड़ा टाइम जब भी मैं आई यूज्ड टू स्पेंड विथ हिम, ही यूज्ड टू शेयर अ लॉट ऑफ हिज मैस और मैसेजेस टू मी। एंड इसमें से मेरा डर, जो मेरा अंदर डर था, थोड़ा started started getting less scared of him. I also started sharing and interacting with him, and it gave me a chance to open up. And I thank God that this sponsor of mine was so clever that he was telling me almost all the immoral or moral things or whatever it is that we all alcoholics have gone through in our lives. We were scared to tell to somebody. So he gave me a chance by himself sharing whatever mess he went through. And I said, Arey, now why am I hiding my things? I have not done anything much more than what he has done. And it gave me courage, it gave me strength, it gave me hope that I have also not to hide anything. So that is how my relationship with the sponsor started, my relationship with the program started, and my program, I started practicing the program on my own. Honestly, I did not do my steps with him. It never happened. And normally, I think it is. I wasted about 3 years. I was very good in service by God's grace, and I think that is what kept me away from drinking, taking that first drink again. And maybe after 3 years or so, I thought of concentrating on my steps. और जब भी मैंने steps किया, वो time also, then what happened really helped me more was that in my group that we had started, I was trying to read from the 12 step and translate it into Konkani and help the other members in my group. So that helped me a lot, in the sense that I was already reading the 12 and 12. I was reading from the big book and trying to share and my experience, strength, my understanding of the steps with other members in the fellowship, and explaining to them in Konkani. And it went on for, I think, maybe 1 year or so, where we did our first to 12 steps, and then I took a group conscience again, are they interested, and nobody showed interest, so we had to stop that. So anyway, coming back to this, to the topic of sponsorship, मेरे लिए it has helped me a lot in my recovery. As I already shared, मैं 3 साल कुछ स्टेप में प्रोग्राम नहीं किया, 12 step का प्रोग्राम कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया. मगर with all the problems that I had, just because I got so involved in service in the group, at group level and then at GSO level, intergroup level, then मेरे को I was so busy that with that, so it kept me, I mean, away from that first drink. And although I was not sane, I can say I was not so serenity इतना नहीं था मेरा disturbance, मेरा जिंदगी का बहुत problem था. I was undergoing a divorce, I was going financially completely खत्म हुआ था, और relationship घर में, और सिस्टर इन लॉ था, उसके साथ मेरा बहुत झगड़ा होता था, रिजेंटमेंट था. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ अस, आई थिंक वी हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम. आई हैव अ फ्यू of my sponsors who also share the same things with me, and that was becoming very difficult. So I thank God that I had went through those pains in those days, which are today helping me, because I've been able to help my sponsors with the same issues. I thought they were problems then, which I had to face, and it was difficult. I remember one day I called my initial sponsor and I told him, I told him, अरे मैं अभी 1 महीना हो गया, मैं दारू नहीं पी रहा हूँ, कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, घर में कुछ तकलीफ नहीं दे रहा हूँ, सब टाइम पे टाइम उठ रहा हूँ, टाइम पे टाइम घर जाओ, सब करता हूँ. मैं घर में मैं गया तो मेरे को स्नान करने को टाइम नहीं मिलता है, गर्म पानी का स्नान करने को नहीं, ये लोग पूरा टाइम बाथरूम में रहता है, तो मैं क्या करूँ. तो मेरा स्पॉन्सर ने बोला, देखो आप दारू छोड़ दिया अच्छा है, मगर आपने क्या बड़ा काम किया. यू वांट टू बी केप्ट ऑन द ऑल्टर. तो मेरे को गुस्सा आया था अभी. तो he says, well, these are the things you have to learn to face now. Your sobriety is more important than any other thing. और I thank God that he told me this. और वो दिन से मैंने, I said, forget it now. I am not going to fight with them or argue with them or discuss with them anything, I will go and have cold bath. So I didn't have to wait, or I didn't have to have that resentment against them that I am not being given a chance to have my bath in the right time. And so अच्छा क्या हो गया that I started having cold water bath. I didn't die. तो ये जो ऐसा spiritual experience शुरू होने लगा, and that is why I am sharing is this, the importance of sharing what is going on in my life. I could not be sharing everything with everybody in the Alcoholics Anonymous. I remember I was told that if I share everything with everybody, then I will get confused. Naturally, I will get confused because each one has their own experience, each one has their own answers to give. So if I listen to everybody, I am bound to get confused. And that is why they told me, you take a sponsor. You talk to your sponsor, whatever is hurting you. And I thank God that I understood this very early. छोटा सा पैम्पलेट है, वेरी छोटा सा पैम्पलेट है जी, हमारा इंटर ग्रुप में है, जीएसओ में है, आजकल ऑनलाइन में मिलता है. तो वेरी स्मॉल पैम्पलेट एंड इट्स अबाउट 33 पेजेस, छोटा सा पैम्पलेट. और वो भी ज्यादा से पढ़ने का जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि उसमें 12 स्टेप, पीछे में 12 स्टेप्स है, 12 ट्रेडिशंस है, 12 कॉन्सेप्ट्स है. बट ये स्पॉन्सर क्या होता है, स्पॉन्सर कौन होता है, स्पॉन्सर कैसा चुनने का, ये सब हमारा आंसर क्वेश्चंस है उसमें. ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर देयर इन दिस छोटा सा पैम्पलेट में. मैं भी अभी आई विल नॉट बी शेयरिंग टू लॉन्ग, ऑल्दो आवर मीटिंग इज सपोज टू एंड एट 2:50. I will be sharing for maybe 25 to 30 minutes, and I will keep a few more minutes, 20 minutes or so, for question answers. I feel very happy when there is interaction. I am not an authority on this subject, but I have my experience, strength, and hope to share with you all. Wherever I go, I always interact, and I think that when there is interaction, there is more involvement, and I could learn. In my initial days, that is what I did, and I always I say it is better to interact. So I won't share much on my sharing. तो 25 मिनट या 30 मिनट में बंद करेगा. और आप लोग को क्यों बोल रहा है कि आपका कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो आप लिख के रख सकता है, और मेरे को जब भी क्वेश्चन टाइम है तभी मेरे को पूछ सकता है. आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माय एबिलिटी. अगेन, आई एम नॉट द authority on this subject. I am nobody. I am just an equal one of your members. The only thing is that I have some experience. I have so many years of experience. I travel around. I have sponsors. By God's grace, this is my third sponsor I have today. Now I'm keeping my initial sponsors out. My first sponsor died. After that, I had Ollie. Most of you all know Mr. Ollie from Bombay, who was very much involved with GSO. So he became my sponsor for some time. After that, Ollie died. So then Vasu now is my present sponsor, and I am so happy with him. मेरे लिए तो sponsor is just a friend, philosopher, and guide, just like what the pamphlet says. Pamphlet में वही लिखा है, friend, philosopher, and guide. इतना easy है वो. Sponsor मेरा भगवान नहीं है. I don't think my sponsor is a god. He is not a god. He is a member just like me. The beauty is that he has come to the fellowship before me. He knows the program. I see him practicing the program. That is why I got attracted to him. And I am the one who chose him. तो मेरे ऊपर किसी ने डाला नहीं, मेरे को चॉइस दिया है. You choose your own sponsor. जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो जाके उसको, all I need is little bit of humility जो मांगता है, जो जाके पूछने का, will you please be my sponsor. और जो जैसा मैंने शेयर किया है, मैंने जो मेरा स्पॉन्सर ने बोला घर जाके घुटने पे जाओ और कल आके पूछो, मैंने वही किया. मैं भी वही करता हूँ आज भी. मैं भी जो सीखा है वही मेरा स्पॉन्सर्स को बोलता हूँ हर टाइम. कभी कभी बहुत लोग आया है मेरे पास, विल यू बी माई स्पॉन्सर. जब भी मैं बोलता हूँ ऐसा करने का जैसा मेरे को सिखाया, कभी कभी वो लोग आता ही नहीं वापस. तो दैट इज देयर चॉइस. दैट इज इधर कोई फोर्स भी नहीं करता है और कुछ. I am not sad about it. I am only that people are not doing what they are told to do. That hurts because I did what I was told to do. I am enjoying it, not my sponsor. My sponsor must be happy today, but I am enjoying because I did what they told me to do. So आजकल वही है that I sit whenever a sponsee comes to me. I tell them, देख मेरा और कुछ काम नहीं. If you are interested that I be your sponsor, I can only tell you that if you are interested in going through the steps, in working the steps rather, then there is fun in it. Otherwise I will not be able to give you anything. You are always free to call me otherwise whatever you want. But if you want me that I should be your sponsor, I would love that you go through the steps first, and then that is where our relationship would start. So that is how I go through with my sponsors. Very few of my sponsors have come back and said they are interested in doing their steps, and those who have really taken interest, I have been of help to them. I have made time. I am supposed to do that. I am not doing them a favor. I know I had to sacrifice, and somebody has sacrificed for me. Somebody did that for me. Somebody came with a message for me. They left their family, their important time, their comfort zone. मेरा जैसा अल्कोहलिक, आई लाइक टू बी इन माय कंफर्ट जोन. मेरे को डिस्टर्ब करेगा. और आजकल मेरा स्पॉन्डिलोसिस की वजह से मैं सुबह उठ नहीं सकता हूँ. कॉल करने का है तो भी नहीं होता है. तो मेरा कंफर्ट जोन होता है वो. Those people left their comfort zone and came and gave me the message, and today I am enjoying my sobriety. तो sacrifice भी करना पड़ता है, but it is the best part of it is that when you see somebody going through the steps and enjoying the sobriety and living a good life, I cannot explain in words. मैं उसका satisfaction जो मेरे को मिल रहा है वो मैं शब्दों में आप लोग को शेयर नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मगर मैं आज खुश हूँ. मेरे को याद है 25 साल पहला मेरे को मैसेज दिया था मेरा इनिशियल स्पॉन्सर जो विल्सन करके, और एक जो बैप्टिस्ट करके था वो बेचारा मर गया. मैं ही सोल रेस्ट इन पीस. मगर विल्सन आज तक जिंदा है. तो ये आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हिम एंड टू हिज फैमिली टू. आज तक 25 इयर्स हो गया. आई प्रे फॉर दिस फैमिली डे एवरी डे विदाउट फेल. आज मेरे लिए भी कितने लोग मेरे लिए भी प्रे कर रहा हूँ. आई डोंट नो. आई एम श्योर most of my sponsors also pray for me. Most of the people wherever I have gone to give the message, people are praying for me. So aisa I have never failed in this 25 years to pray for my sponsor, my initial sponsor, my sponsors also. So aisa hai hamara relationship. आज बढ़ के I am making very good use of my sponsor. I don't trouble him much, but wherever necessary I will always call him. And I don't take any decisions on my own today. Although he is not my financial sponsor, कभी कभी मेरे को गाड़ी नया लेने पड़ता है, कभी कभी कुछ करना पड़ता है, कहाँ जाना पड़ता है. तो my sponsor is not going to give me money, but I know he is somebody in between God and me. I have not seen my God. मेरा जो higher power है, God of my understanding करके जो मेरे को concept दिया है Alcoholics Anonymous में, मैंने मेरा भगवान को देखा नहीं, मगर मैंने उसको मेरा classroom में I have seen him working in my classroom. I have seen the miracles happening in my classroom, and that is how I understood there is a higher power and it is working, and it has worked in my life. And that is why what happens is that this unseen God जो है मेरा higher power जो है, मैं कैसा, how do I know what is his will for me? Many times I don't understand it. So I feel मेरा understanding is that my sponsor is somebody in between God and myself. अभी हम लोग अभी मीटिंग ब्लू जींस पे कर रहा है. इसमें वायर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. मैं इधर से अमेरिका बात कर सकता हूँ, उसमें वायर नहीं रहता है, मगर कुछ कनेक्ट करता है. कुछ कनेक्ट करने से हम लोग बात कर सकता है. तो व्हाट इज दैट? सो टुडे देयर इज सम कनेक्शन बिटवीन माय God and myself, which I sometimes don't understand. So I feel that my sponsor is the right connection for me. He is the satellite in between God and me. Many things that I don't understand, I pray to God, and I sometimes feel God is not answering my calls, not answering my prayers. सब होता है, सबका जिंदगी में होता है. तो मेरा sponsor is the right person to give me a proper understanding to know when I am confused as to what is the will of God. I know, not only I think, I know my sponsor and I believe. Many times ऐसा होता है कि I normally wait for the answer that I want. I feel that the sponsor will give me the answer that I want. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है. But when the answer is not from my sponsor is not what I want, गुस्सा आता है बहुत बार, और समटाइम्स गुस्सा भी आता है स्पॉन्सर के ऊपर, व्हाट डज ही थिंक ऑफ हिमसेल्फ, ही नोज एवरीथिंग. मगर 10 days आफ्टर दैट, इफ आई लुक बैक, आई रियलाइज दैट माई स्पॉन्सर वॉज राइट. ये भी मेरा जिंदगी में ऐसा ही होता था. मेरा बाप हर टाइम मेरे को बोलता था ऐसा मत करो, ऐसा करो. मैं सोचता था मेरा बाप को कुछ मालूम नहीं, ये जनरेशन गैप में है, बहुत तकलीफ देता है मेरे को. उसमें क्या जिंदगी, क्या अब आजकल का जिंदगी का क्या मतलब है, उसको क्या मालूम है, यही सोचता था. मगर आज मालूम होता है कि मेरे को जो मेरे बाप के पास जितना अच्छा था वो देने को उसने कोशिश किया, उसने कुछ बुरा देने को कोशिश नहीं किया मेरे को. और वैसा ही एक रिलेशनशिप आज स्पॉन्सर के साथ रहता है मेरा, कि आई नो माई स्पॉन्सर विल नॉट गिव मी एनीथिंग रॉन्ग. इट माइट साउंड रॉन्ग फॉर मी एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम, क्योंकि मैं मेरे को जो आंसर मांगता है वही ढूंढता हूँ ना. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑलवेज, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. और टुडे आई अंडरस्टैंड, एंड after going to a few exercises like this, I have understood that my sponsor is always is most of the time is right. और अभी जो सर्विस के बाद जब भी हम कर रहा है, तो लेट मी कम बैक टू द सर्विस पार्ट ऑफ इट. बहुत अर्ली मेरा ग्रुप ने मेरे को 6 महीना भी नहीं हुआ था, मेरा मेरा होम ग्रुप ने मेरे को IGR करके इंटर ग्रुप में भेजा. और इंटर ग्रुप तो बंद हुआ था. There was no intergroup, proper functioning of the intergroup. There were, nobody knew where the books were, nobody knew how much money was there. So we called for a meeting and we wanted to restart the intergroup. And I was not even 6 months sober. Now the literature says 2 months sobriety to become an IGR. Over time, I remember it. Our time it was 2 years. Now I think it is 1 year. So anyway, but my group sent me there at 6 months. So it was a bit of confusion. But the group said, no, you have to go. We are sending you. It is a group conscience. And I understood group conscience because there is a loving God who is expressing himself in our group conscience. तो मैं गया, और मैं जब भी इंटर ग्रुप मीटिंग में पहला बैठता था, तो मैं कभी कुछ सजेशन दिया तो इमीडिएटली ये लोग सीनियर जो मेंबर थे मेरे को पूछता था आप कितना दिन सोबर है. कुछ भी सजेशन मेरा करेगा तो मेरे को they used to make me like make fun of me. How many days sober you are? They would never say even months or weeks. I say how many days sober you are, because I used to give some suggestion. मैं थोड़ा मेरा को college time में I was a union leader. I was little bit थोड़ा talents था मेरा organization करने का. I am a BCom student, so I knew little bit of accounts. Wanted to be a chartered accountant, मगर मेरा alcoholism ने मेरा वो भी मेरा प्रोफेशन मेरे से छीन लिया. तो एनीवे, कमिंग बैक, आई सेड मे बी आई कैन हेल्प द इंटर ग्रुप. सो कभी कभी मैं सजेशन देता था तो मैं, वो लोग पूछते थे तुम कितना दिन सोबर है. So I used to get very angry. I went back to my sponsor that time and I asked him, I said, why are these members talking like this? They're asking me, they're making fun of me. How many days sober you are? I said, why are you sending me there if these people are going to make fun of me like that? So my sponsors immediately said, I told you not to get involved in service till you are 5 years sober. I thank God तो मेरा sponsor का सुना नहीं था. मैं थोड़ा confused हुआ था because my group is sending me and my sponsor is telling me उल्टा. ये कैसा हो सकता है? ग्रुप बोल रहा है जा सर्विस इंटर ग्रुप में जाके IGR का काम करो, स्पॉन्सर बोलता है नहीं करने का है. वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया. तो मैं थोड़ा प्रे करता था. तभी I prayed and I got the answer. I felt my group conscience was bigger than my sponsor and I never left service. तो और एक बार ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो मैं उसको पूछा, ऐसा ऐसे क्यों करता है सीनियर मेंबर लोग ऐसा, मेरे को क्यों मेरे से झगड़ा करता है. तो उसने बोला देखो, यू आर ऑल्सो अल्कोहलिक, दे आर ऑल्सो अल्कोहलिक्स, दे आर कमिंग देयर टू, वी आर ऑल गोइंग टू मीटिंग बिकॉज वी आर सिक पीपल. इफ ही इज कम सीनियर टू यू और ही इज ट्रबलिंग यू मोर देन दैट मीन्स ही इज मोर सिकर देन यू आर. सो मेरे को उसमें से बहुत आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ कंसोलेशन फ्रॉम दैट, बिकॉज आई थॉट इज दे आर ऑल्सो सिक पीपल, मे बी इज मोर सिकर देन मी, लाइक माई स्पॉन्सर सेड. आज वही बिग बुक में लिखा है. I don't have to, I understand my sponsor was a well-read person, and so these things are written there in the book. The answers to all these are there. Or today, today I have to accept any member as he is and how he is. Abhi, just before this session, I was listening to our tradition session and how important it is for me to remain with you all people. Today, I thank God that I remained with y'all. I started looking at the traditions. I started understanding how important it is for me, how important a group is for me. Without the group, I cannot stay sober. All these things, even my sponsor helped me to understand in the initial stages. And this got better and better. Getting into service, my service, I fortunately or unfortunately, at that time I didn't know what to have a service sponsor. मेरा sponsor क्या होगा था that he was never allowed to do service. He shared this with me once. He was never allowed to do his service by his sponsor because he was a rock bottom case. अभी उसको अनुभव नहीं है तो मेरे को क्या देगा? So it was not his fault. He was only giving me what best he knew. तो मेरा सर्विस तो कंटिन्यू हो गया अल्कोहलिक्स एनोनिमस का स्ट्रक्चरल सर्विस में और थैंक गॉड दैट मैंने सब सर्विस किया राइट फ्रॉम वॉशिंग ऑफ द कप स्वीपिंग द क्लासरूम वो सब सर्विस करके एक सर्विस करके ऊपर गया और जो up to the service last service I could have done is to become the delegate for world service वो तो मौका नहीं दिया GSB सर्विस बोर्ड ने तो डिसीजन लिया that only the trustees present trustees may be allowed to go to the world service. So that was the only service for me left, which God willing I could not get to do. Otherwise, I have done all this possible services in Alcoholics Anonymous and it has helped me. आज तक मैं कर रहा हूँ service. I don't need a service position to do service. Today I am blessed because all over India member बुलाता है. Actually, I am very sorry, and especially if many member is there here whom I have refused to come and share on online. This is my first online meeting, by the way, and I thank God and I thank your members of this All India online meeting for giving me this opportunity to share with you all. Because I have not done, although you all have completed 1 year, I have never done an online meeting. Many people have called me and I have refused. I have refused to say that somehow मेरा मन में नहीं जाता था मगर मेरे को अंदर से थोड़ा शर्म आ गया जब भी अश्विन ने मेरे को फोन करके पूछा तो मैं बोला ठीक है मैं सोचता हूँ कल फोन करता हूँ आपको तो I agreed to share and I thank God that I agreed. I mean भगवान ने मेरे को courage दिया और this is the first time I'm sharing on an online meeting. And I'm grateful that you all gave me a chance to ये जो डर भी था और मेरा स्पॉन्सर क्या बोलता था लव लाइज इन दी अल्कोहलिक्स आइज सो जब भी आप लोग को क्लासरूम में आपका आंख में देखने को मिलता है तो अलग से नशा आता है अभी इसका भी नशा आ गया सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई एम टुडे ऑन दिस ऑनलाइन मीटिंग एंड वेल आई थिंक आई विल जस्ट शट अप नाउ एंड लेट अस हैव सम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इफ पॉसिबल मॉडरेटर थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you, Francisco ji. Thank you very much for your
Thank you, Cisco.
sharing.